What's up everyone, it's Christian from RackNerd TV. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to manually disable a WordPress theme using cPanel's file manager for troubleshooting purposes. Now, why would you need to do this? Well, sometimes a theme update or poorly coded theme can break your site, leaving it stuck on a blank screen or even throwing critical errors. And when that happens, you might not be able to log in to your WordPress dashboard to switch back to a default theme. That's when using File Manager inside cPanel can save the day. It gives you the ability to take control of your website and fix it, even if the dashboard isn't accessible. And this is exactly one of the reasons why hosting with RackNerd's cPanel shared hosting is so powerful. With direct access to your files, you're not locked out. You can troubleshoot, manage, and fix issues yourself. If you're not hosting with us yet, I highly recommend checking us out at RackNerd.com. Our hosting plans come with cPanel included, making website management simple, secure, and reliable. Before we dive into these steps, let me also mention that in one of our recent videos, I've shown you how to manually disable plugins and reset your password manually right inside of your cPanel account. Those tutorials tie in perfectly with today's guide since they all focus on regaining control of your site when the dashboard isn't available. If you haven't watched those yet, be sure to check them out after this video. Let's go ahead and move into the steps right now. First, log into your cPanel account. Once you're inside, scroll down and open File Manager. Next, navigate to the folder where WordPress is installed. Usually it is the public_HTML directory, unless your site is in a subfolder. From there, open the WP-content folder and then open the themes folder. This is where all of your WordPress themes are stored. Now, to disable the currently active theme, all you need to do is rename that theme's folder. For example, if your active theme is called My Custom Theme, then you just rename it to something like My Custom Theme _disabled. By doing this, WordPress no longer recognizes the folder. Once WordPress detects that the active theme is missing, it will automatically fall back to one of its default themes included with WordPress, such as 2021 or 2023. After renaming the folder, go back to your website and refresh the page. In most cases, this will immediately fix the error and your site will load again with the fallback theme. And that's it. You've now learned how to manually disable a WordPress theme using cPanel's File Manager. This method is incredibly useful for troubleshooting theme-related issues, especially when you can't log into your dashboard. It's another great example of the power you have with RackNerd's cPanel shared hosting. With full access to your files and databases, you're in control and never locked out of your own website. So if you're still searching for a reliable hosting provider with cPanel access, definitely head over to RackNerd.com. And if this tutorial helped you out, be sure to subscribe to RackNerd for more step-by-step guides just like this one. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.